Hello everyone and welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to review something that I have ordered from Amazon, and I had two of these units, and this is my third unit that I have ordered because I am really satisfied with the product, and I would like to show you so that you too can have a glimpse of the product. So first of all, the product comes well packaged. The Amazon packing, obviously you know it's good. The delivery time was 1 day, and as I am an Amazon Prime member, it was quite fast. No shipping charges, and here is the product itself. So this product is the SIUES Solar Light that I have ordered. I have two of these and this is my third one, and you can see in the box it's just a plain box. Let's quickly have a look at what do we get in the box. You can see the packaging is very well done. The box is strong. I open it off straight away. Yeah. So here we have the light itself. Let me open the light for you and quickly show you. So this is the light itself. This is the front LED panel, the motion sensor, and here is the solar panel. And the best part is that this light is so flexible that you can attach it anywhere, and you don't need to do an assembly. You don't need to have any additional equipment with you except a small screwdriver. The screw is to loosen up the light so that it can turn in different directions, and this is the stand, quite strong, quite robust, which will be mounted to the wall or to a wooden surface. This is the screws that you get. These are the screws that you get with it. Two screws are enough. They hold the solar panel very strongly and you don't need anything else. So let me just quickly loosen up this and show you the flexibility of the solar light. So now let's just make this screw a bit loose so we can easily rotate our light in all the directions. So you can see it gets quite loose because I am using an automatic screwdriver, an electric screwdriver. So let me make it a bit tight. Okay, and now you can see that the light moves in all the directions and the way that I want it to be. So I can easily mount it this way, I can easily mount it this way, I can easily mount it in any direction that I want. So you can see that it's very flexible, it's very easy to mount, it's very easy to install, and I will be showing you my setup that I have, so it would be very clear for any user to directly buy the lights of Amazon and just install them straight away. You don't need to open the panel, you don't need to do anything, you just need to install it straight away, allow the lights to charge for some time, and then you're good to go. I will also put a link in the description to buy the lights from Amazon directly, so you won't have a problem with that. The lights have 3 different modes which I have spoken about in my earlier video, so I'll put a link to that video too, and you can set the modes of the light. So let me just quickly show you the modes that we have. So when I just hold it for 3 seconds, the light gets into mode 2, which is dim, but when there is some motion it lights up, and I press it once more, gets into mode 1, which is actually it's active, but only when there's a motion it lights up. And if I press it again, it gets into mode 3, which is always on, which is not the preferred mode. So I would again press it and put it back to mode 1. So you can see it's off, sorry, and now I'll hold it for 3 seconds, so it gets back to mode 2, and I press it one more time, it gets back to mode 1. Yeah, so we are on track. And quickly, what do you get in the box is the user manual and a small warranty card with some basic information. So if you want to read the manual, you can read it in English and German as well. It's very easy to install the light and even to change the mode. So it's not very tough, it's not very difficult, and the company itself is very good. The delivery times are good, the quality of the product is amazing. You can see it's not some cheap quality plastic, it's quite robust plastic. And I have had two of these lights which are outside my house since 2 weeks, and in the hot sun, in a lot of rain too, these lights have managed to survive. So they are fully functional, and this is so that's it all about the light. It's very simple, easy to mount, you shouldn't have any problems, and if at all there is an issue, you can always get back to the company. They have a very good customer service, you can contact them. I will put the email addresses in the description. You can directly contact Amazon if there is a replacement, if there is any help that you need. And I would truly recommend this company and this brand if you need to have a kind of solar light setup in your outside your house. So thank you very much for watching my video, and many more reviews to come.